I'm gonna replace my wheel bearing. Well, the right side, I've got both of them. I ordered both of them, but the right side is the one that's making a bunch of noise. So, yeah, it's my 2015 F-150 Platinum. And I got most of my tools out to do this, I hope. Let's see here. Where should I jack this thing? Let's go for the middle. I swear I was able to get this thing off the ground last time. Whoa. There. That'll do. So these lug nuts are swollen. So probably gonna struggle with a couple of them. That's all she's got. I know it's got more than that. Come on. Nope, that wasn't it. Here is that one. They're swollen. Pretty sure the size is originally it's 19 or 3/4. Had to go up a size just to get a socket on there. Okay, put these out of the way. These suckers aren't no joke. Here, let's see. Maybe. No. There we go. Okay. Now, the rotor. Since I'm reusing these rotors, I don't really want to mess them up by hitting them with a hammer, so I tapped on them a little bit. They're not going to come loose, but they got these holes where you can put a bolt into and it'll pull it out. Oh, dang it. Gotta go the right way. Look at that. It's nice when engineers actually make something that is fairly easy to work on. whatever. We'll just leave it in this socket. I don't think I'll need that socket again. This. All right, I want to unplug this. This little red piece has to come out. There we go. All right, got that unplugged. So, yeah. It's pretty nice how they're designing newer cars. They make them a lot easier. Well, I don't know. Maybe not everything. Sorry. I take back what I said. Not everything is easier. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna pop out this last little thing here. And there we go. Now we're loose. And then we can take the 4 bolts out to remove the wheel bearing. So these bolts are 18 millimeters. That's weird. An odd size, but wow. These are not as tight as I expected. So maybe it's been replaced before. We'll find out. Got a little butt plug in it. Okay. Make sure this little gasket's in there so we don't get any dirt into here. So that looks like it's been getting kind of hot. Come on, please go in there. There we go. Yes. I bought these a while ago, so it would suck if I got a bad part, or the wrong part. Looks the same. Okay. Get up on my chair. Are you kidding me? Mike? There we go. Okay. There we go. There's that. Stay away from my cord. This one goes right there. So, there's the new one. these hub bolts are supposed to be torqued to, it says 129 foot-pounds. It's gotta be close. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna steer it to the right to get the other two. There we go. Always zero out your torque wrench. Set it at its minimum setting. When you're done with it, you're not using it. This one's supposed to be torqued to 30 foot-pounds. I'm gonna call that good. There we go. Plenty of room now. As long as oh, come on. 150. Wheel bearing replaced. It sounds, yeah, it's not as loud as it was. Let's put it that way. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna post this video, but man, is this a nice looking truck. I just saw another one going down the highway just like it. I was like, man, that's a nice truck.